Hello again. It might be cloudy, but I'm clearing out my sunglasses. And I've got a few pairs here. These are quite cool. Got some others. I've got these ones. Oh, those are a little bit darker. Can't see quite so much. They're quite good. Might be really good on a bright day. And I've got these. And these have got kind of like a faded tint. So they're darker at the top and not so dark at the bottom. So yeah, pretty cool design those. So when you're designing sunglasses, you need to think about all those harmful UV rays that come from the sun. We talked about the sun being a source of light, and they can really damage your eyes as well as your skin. You know, we put suntan lotion on, things like that in the summer, and you need to protect your eyes as well. So in this investigation, please make sure that you don't test your sunglasses using the sun, alright? All you need for this is a torch, okay? Oh, it's flashing. Want it on like that. And also just some materials from the house. I have got a ball, okay? I've also got some shiny material. I've also got some bubble wrap. Just bits and pieces, you don't need like really fancy stuff. I've got some tissue. I've got an old rubber as well. It's got a £10 note rubber. That's quite cool. And I've got a ruler actually, but it's I thought this might be good because it's not a normal ruler. It's quite interesting. And I've got a mirror, because sometimes you get sunglasses that have got mirror lenses. I've got a piece of Perspex, and I just found that on the floor when I was hoovering, and that was just a lucky find. And I've got a couple of marbles as well, a couple of stones. You don't need that many things, you need about 4 or 5 things. You know, you go around the house, maybe go in the recycle bin and see what you can find. And for this test, in order to be really scientific and actually make it a fair test, okay, I'm going to use a ruler, and I've got a different ruler today. And you know, we always start at 0 with a ruler. There it is. This is an old one. It's of the Dome, actually, the O2 now it's called. I think I've had this ruler since 2000, so I've really looked after that one. Right, so I'm going to put my ruler down here, and I'm going to make sure that my torch is there, and then I think I'm going to test my piece of Perspex first, because I actually fancy a pair of glasses that are like that. I think they'd be really cool, actually. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it first right on the end, and I'm going to see if the light shines through. Now, it's not really doing anything there, so I'm going to have to adjust the test, alright? So I think maybe if I halve it, so come halfway down the ruler, that's halfway, it's 30cm ruler, so that'll be 15 centimetres if I divide 30 by 2. And I'm holding it there, and I'm just looking to see if the light goes through. And it is, so I'm going to halve that again, so I'm going to halve 15, and then I get to 7.5, so I'm coming here. And I'm just kind of doing a little investigation. I can see that actually the light is going through, because I can see a little shadow that side. Oh, and I can also see the colour on my hand. I'm just going to show that to the camera so you can see, the colour on my hand. Now, I've got all these different materials, and you can do it with anything. See, I'm going to go 30, oh no, 15, no, 7.5 with the mirror. Oh, and nothing goes through that, but it's really bouncing. The light is really reflecting that way. And if I move the mirror, I get a really good effect. I don't think it's for sunglasses though, not a mirror. It might be something that they do to sunglasses, but no light's going through that. So I wouldn't be able to see if I wore those for driving or walking around. No good really. Now I'm going to try the tissue paper, and I'm going to make sure I don't fold the paper, so I might just rip a bit off to make the test a bit easier. Okay. So, and actually, interestingly, 30 centimetres, the light is actually going through that. So I'll halve it again, 15. Oh, it's pretty, it's really illuminated. It's pretty good. And 7.5, really good. I'm not sure how protective tissue would be. If you got caught in a shower, I don't think it'd be that great for sunglasses. But it's interesting to see how light can travel through some things. It's a little bit diffused, the light, but it is actually going through. And lastly, I've got a little gem here. You'll have loads more things, I'm sure, and you can go around the house testing loads of things like this. This is a kind of a little gem, it's a little bit like a marble. So I'm going to go here, 30 centimetres. Oh, actually really interesting because the surface is curved and it's like a kind of, it's a convex shape. Concave is when it's like that, and convex is when it's like that, and you'll learn about that later on when you're a bit older with light. And it's really bouncing around. It looks gorgeous. 15 centimetres, half of that. The light isn't going through though, it's just kind of illuminating and making it glow a bit, which is really nice. 7.5, yeah, it's not actually going through, it's kind of got glass, but it's a coloured glass, it's not going through. It's interesting though, I don't think for sunglasses though, not those. There's just one thing I'm going to show you, just because it's interesting. When they design kind of probes and stuff and modules for space, they quite often coat bits of it in this because the sun reflects it, and it can be used to recharge the energy of the module, and that is really great. Any good for sunglasses? No, I don't think so. But other uses, yes, it's highly reflective. Look at that. Anyway, once you've tested your materials, maybe you could even make yourself a pair of glasses. Okay? And it'd be lovely to see some photos of you wearing your homemade glasses. Okay, enjoy and bye, and I'll see you later.